What's up, guys? Are you wanting to buy best running shoes? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 7 best running shoes are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1, Saucony Endorphin Speed, the best running shoe for fast sessions. If you've fallen out of love with running recently, the Saucony Endorphin Speed could be the best running shoe to rekindle your passion for the pavement. This is a neutral motion control shoe, meaning it isn't designed to prevent the twisting motion of overpronation, but does help your foot roll and transfer energy more effectively thanks to a nylon plate in the midsole. The result is a springy, fun, but not bouncy feel with each step. It's an exceptionally light shoe, and Saucony has pared down the design as much as possible to shave off extra grams. We can't guarantee that it'll help you hit a new personal best in your next race, but we wouldn't be surprised. The use of nylon rather than carbon makes it a good option for both races and training runs, while keeping down both price and weight. It's not the best shoe for particularly slow runs, but for anything else, it's easy to recommend. We highly recommend this product if you have the money for it. It is so helpful and makes life so much easier. At number 2, Saucony Endorphin Pro 2, a comfortable, springy carbon shoe for picking up the pace. Sitting in between the Hoka 1-1 Bondi X and the Asics Metaspeed Sky listed above, the Saucony Endorphin Pro 2 is a versatile carbon plate running shoe that works well at a variety of distances, particularly training sessions at a race pace. It might feel odd at first, but once you pick up speed, you'll feel the benefit of that plate together with the shoe's speed roll geometry, which propels you forward with each step. There's also less exposed foam than you'll find on many performance shoes, which lends some welcome durability. It's pretty steep. If cash is tight and you're in the market for more of a daily shoe, take a look at the Saucony Endorphin Speed 2 instead. Its use of nylon in place of carbon gives a similarly lively ride while keeping costs down. You can buy it. I think it is a very good shoes for running use. My friends are using them a lot, and the reviews of this product on Amazon are good, because everyone can be treated well, so you can safely order this shoes. At number 3, Nike ZoomX Vaporfly Next 2. The Nike ZoomX Vaporfly Next 2 is the best running shoe thanks to its impressive energy return that feels like nothing we've experienced before. This is a shoe made for running and running fast. When we tested it, we were extremely impressed by its springiness, courtesy of a full-length articulated carbon footplate and generous 14 millimeters of ZoomX foam that never feels squishy or marshmallowy. Its minimalist mesh upper is highly breathable, with the bare minimum of padding strategically positioned for comfort without adding too much weight. Our feel felt well connected and secure throughout our runs. The Nike ZoomX Vaporfly Next 2 is a superb shoe for track days and races, with the potential to propel you to a new personal record. However, we'd recommend supplementing it with another, more affordable shoe from this list for your everyday training. Perhaps best used alongside a pair of cheaper training shoes for those day-in, day-out training sessions, with the next 2 kept for speed work and race day to achieve your personal best. Finally, we highly recommend. It is a very good shoes, and it has very good customer reviews on Amazon, so you can order without any worries. At number 4, Asics GT-2000, the best affordable running shoe for unstable runners. The latest iteration in the long-running GT-2000 series, the Asics GT-2000 is one of the best running shoes around if you're aiming to control pronation and favor a stiffer shoe that'll give you plenty of support during long training sessions. This stiffness comes courtesy of a resin plate in the shoe's midsole that prevents unwanted twisting actions as your foot rolls. This is combined with a lightweight foam midsole that gives a cushioned but not bouncy ride, plus additional gel in the heel and toe for shock absorption. The newly redesigned single-piece mesh upper is noticeably more breathable than previous GT-2000 models, making this shoe a particularly good choice for warmer weather and indoor treadmill sessions. Highly recommended if you're looking for a shoe with plenty of guidance and very competitively priced. Finally, we highly recommend this product. It's perfect for those who are looking for a new way to grocery shop and save money. At number 5. Hoka 11 Bondi X, the best long-distance running shoe. The Hoka 11 Bondi X has the company's familiar chunky style but feels snappy thanks to an embedded carbon plate. This is a new feature for the Bondi line, and together with a full-size molded EVA sole, it results in a springy and responsive ride. It's softer, wider, and generally more forgiving than the Carbon X2 and better suited to squeezing a few extra miles out of your training runs than breaking personal records on race day. In our tests, we found it particularly helpful after the 10-mile mark, when our form sometimes tends to suffer. You'll either love or hate its distinctive looks. The fluorescent color scheme and hefty heel unit are hard to miss, but if you're happy to embrace its style, you'll find it's thoroughly enjoyable when you're hitting the pavement for a few hours. We highly recommend this product. If you have the money, it's definitely worth it. It's also cheap if you consider the quality and features it has, which makes it the best value for your money. At number 6. Asics Metaspeed Sky Plus, another great race shoe that gives Nike a run for its money. If you're looking for a race shoe that's a great alternative to what Nike and Adidas currently have to offer, the Asics Metaspeed Sky Plus is well worth your consideration. It's a running shoe built to keep you quick over short and long distances. When we reviewed the Metaspeed Sky, we appreciated the spring provided by the full-length carbon plate and curved design, together with the shoe's lightweight, responsive foam. It compresses at each foot strike before springing back into shape, giving a controlled feel while propelling you forward. It's pricier than the Nike ZoomX Vaporfly next to above, and it does have its predecessor's issues with durability in the heel, but it's a superb shoe nonetheless and feels great to run in. My favorite shoe. It has great customer reviews and is really good. Order now and you won't regret it. This is a good option for a budget running shoe. It offers a number of features that make it ideal for runner. At number 7. Adidas Adistar, the best running shoe for slower runs. The Adidas Adistar impressed us with its well-designed rocker that keeps propelling you forward during long training sessions. It's not the lightest shoe we've ever tested, but its dual-density foam is tough and resilient, standing up well even after some serious mileage. We also like the shoe's integrated cage system, which gives this running shoe a snug and comfortable fit. The upper is made of recycled ocean plastic and recycled polyester, which is also welcome from a sustainability standpoint. Overall, the Adidas Adistar is an excellent running shoe for those long, slow sessions and will help you maintain your form when your mind begins to wander and you're running on autopilot. Even after several hours, the shoes don't feel sluggish, and the rocker design means you're unlikely to drag your feet despite the shoe's stack height. We highly recommend as long as you have the money for it. Your search for the best cheap shoe for runner with the Adidas Adistar. You get this shoe at a great price, but it also comes with the most amazing features. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.